Parks and Recreation's mission is to provide a quality system of parks, open spaces, facilities, and cultural and leisure programs to meet citizens' expectations. Lubbock has over 81 parks throughout our city. From small neighborhood parks to regional parks, Parks and Recreation offers many outdoor settings and amenities for citizens of all ages. Park amenities include playgrounds, picnic tables, park shelters, walking tracks, basketball courts, volleyball courts, tennis courts, dog parks and disc golf courses. Recreation amenities include community and adult activity centers, pools, athletic complexes, Safety City, a tennis center and more.
Lubbock's newest park was built with families in mind, and is home to the Legacy Play Village, and a variety of additional family activities. Located across the Marcia Sharp Freeway from the Canyon West Shopping Center, the park also features a BMX track, bird blinds, Cavazos Athletic Complex, 3 baseball fields, Challenger Little League Field, snack concession area, seasonal, disc golf course, horseshoe pits, restrooms, seasonal, shaded stands, skate park, 4x4/Hummer track and trails.
Abandoned? No way. Is that whole property abandoned? Wow. Oh, there's no access. Oh, there's access. I would want to bicycle to it, not pull in with my car. But it's such a distance. It's a long distance from the library. 3 miles? library will just offer Wi-Fi, but you know, it's possible. A right on Lockwood. A subway.
Turn right on Lubbock Street, then take the second right.
Ah, yes, this is a gas station. I wonder if I should stop here right now. I'll do it on the way out. I think I could do it on the way out. I hope they accept my money. Well, I might have to pay in cash.
Turn right on Main Street.
Maine? Yeah, this is an old town. Lawnmower service. City of Tahoka. Ooh, cool. They got some cool old buildings. A theater?
Arriving at City County Library.
Oh no. I don't see any sign of a library here. Ooh. There's no sign of a... Oh, there it is. Ooh. It's at the Life Enrichment Center. Oh, the parking looks awful. I don't know if I should be parking here. Is there a way to park in the back? Oh, that guy turned. I'm gonna look around. Is there a way? Oh God, I don't think I want to do that. There might be. Geez, I'm gonna look. Just parking anywhere is fine. I just didn't like that. I didn't like the slant. Okay. It looks like there's, okay, like a side street type of parking here. Actually, okay, all right.
Say a command.
By the wide road, I'm guessing that I like angle park or something. I'm guessing. Okay, and by the reserve parking. All right. There we go. Maybe it's just dust. You look at the covering. This is kind of new. Formaldehyde free. Thermal sound control. They didn't really need a lot of serious, maybe they don't need a lot of serious insulation around here. I breathed in a lot of some kind of dust. Air conditioning maybe. So what was this room used for? They were they got old movies. I think those are Blu-ray movies. Danger. So they're doing something. They have, man, something got in my eye. All right, and then a washroom of some kind, sanitized sink. I was in that room. Yeah, they're busy cooking a lot. All right, on the outside it says buffet. They made it in big words so you could read it from the highway. All right, so they got an island here. It's not really an island though, next to this big building. Island here too. You know, I've been noticing every city throughout Texas has got a dumpster on the side of the street somewhere in the cities. It might be a state thing. I don't think any other state would be doing this, just giving free access to open dumpsters to toss whatever you want in all the time. Yeah, there's quite a few abandoned buildings, but the courthouse looks immaculate. Seems to be a common trait in towns. Their cities may have fallen apart, but the courthouses always look good. Maybe there was a lot of infighting. Just a junk pile in there. And you could see the wind blowing in with a broken window. Old fountain sundries. You look inside and it's just a junk pile in there. It's the way it is with a lot of these businesses. Anybody here? I look and see this door is unlocked. Looks like it's an old store or something. And then it's got multiple rooms. I'm thinking that probably a contractor's working on it or something. It looks like it's a mess. But, well, there's no tools whatsoever. Maybe they've abandoned it. And you could just let yourself right out. Yep. You can walk in and out through the rear. Hello? Alright, no, I did not look through this one. Oh, there's the work. That's where the work's being done. Alright. It's just my excuse for coming in is I was curious if you were open. Oh, and that door you can let yourself into as well. It feels like a concrete floor. This is all an old business. The original roofing, some kind of a metal. Pretty clear this body shop has no roof. Oh, you can look. I was looking for a hole to look through. All right. Grass is growing in there. Oh, this is just one part. They separated the rooms. There's also another room. This abandoned building also looks pretty dangerous. They've pushed an old refrigerator in front of an open door, so you can't just walk in. They don't want people just walking in, which is easy to push out of the way. I don't really need to go in. I'm not fighting to get inside these buildings. Just curious. So I want to look through this door, but this ceiling could fall on me, and there's nobody liable. Oh my God, are these bees alive? Some kind of a beehive in there. Looks like there's a house or maybe a kitchen. Yeah, the bees could get in through the top, make their beehive. It'd be there's a lot of these buildings that'd be great for beehives. Alright, the history of Tahoka. December 1902, 100 people met and did things, and I'll read it later. They found fresh water. And this old windmill needs some grease at this museum. It just has a deep squeak to it. A groan, a creak. Maybe more of a creak. So, looks like these fruits are ready to harvest, but they're so dangerous to touch. Behind the museum here. Alright, you just walk through. I don't know what this fence is for exactly. Was it to protect this area? Huh. Whatever that thing was. Old wagon. Really seen better days. The museum likely is not open. This thing produces some seeds. Probably not edible.